To top trading edge, folks. Today is June 16th, Sunday, and let's take a look at the market condition upcoming week. See how the market look like, folks. All right. So today, Sunday night and Monday morning, what the market look like. So we're gonna look right now. We're gonna look into the daily chart and see what market look like. So as we all can see right here, the squeeze squeeze firing up. Look at the cloud condition. Look like nice and bullish right there, and pointing north. So hope you understand when I talk this language, folks. You have to take this technical intraday class to understand all these things. Okay, so as you can see right here, conditions are looking nice and bullish. MACD looking nice and bullish. Right, volumes are nice, firing up, and we are almost all the way at the top. Market is so everything picture perfect right now. 100 out of 100 looking bullish. Right, 100 out of 100. This is daily chart, remember? So daily chart. Now we're gonna look into the little smaller time frame and see what the market look like. So we're going to go into 4-hour charts. All right, so as you can see right here in the 4-hour charts, market trying to create a little diversion, but that's all right. Conditions are still bullish on 4 hours. All right, let's look into 1 hour. All right, so 1-hour chart look like, so next 2 days I would say, right? So remember, folks, June 10th means, which is Wednesday, is a holiday. Market closed on Wednesday, right? And that is holiday. What does it mean? That means anytime holiday comes in the middle of the week, right? People get together on some family events, summertime, right? Everybody wants to talk on the table, right? That probably the ring. So in that case, most likely market might, right now we are at the 554, we could go to 555, and that would be the topic of the kitchen table, right? This is just a guesswork, folks. Okay, that doesn't mean it could happen, but technical is telling me. So if you look at the 1 hour, remember, you have to understand the trading view chart class, what I teach you about 1 hour. So now this 1 hour is MACD oscillator is very close to 0 and trying to cross. Condition is looking nice and steady, and we want to break the roof right there. Remember, this is 1 hour chart. That does not mean it's gonna break on Monday. I didn't say that, so that's why I need to learn what chart I'm looking at. It 1 hour chart I'm looking at it, right? So now market try to go up. All right, wonderful. So that is one area. Now we're gonna go and look at a 30-minute chart. So what the smart monies are doing on 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes we have a look. Smart money always stays at 540, 543 area right here. That's where we are battling, folks, right here in the morning. Like last 1, 2, 3 days, we are still stuck at the roof, right? So in order to break the roof, folks, we need to resistance to poke through, and then we could go higher, and most likely that's what it appears, because on daily chart I explain you right here, it looks like we want to go. All right, so now we're gonna look at this is 30-minute chart. So we're gonna look into conditions. You can see right here sideways conditions on a 30-minute. Conditions are sideways. That means this is what you need to look in. Like let's go into the 5-minute charts so we get a little better idea. Okay, so we got to keep this thing in mind, this area, folks, tomorrow. All right, now we're gonna look into for tomorrow we're gonna look into next 2 days. All right, so we are here right now. Market is right here and trying to test the top, right? And we are in a compression mode right here. Means either we could break upward or we could break downward. Like I said, most likely market wants to break upward, but before they break, what if Monday they want to dump a little bit and then break through? Anything can be possible, correct? Anyway, that is the reason we are sitting right at the top. Smart monies are sitting all the way at the top. All the buyers are excited. That's how it appears to me. So we want to go higher. Now this is 5-hour chart. So if the market poke through area here, pull back and then reverse, that could be a great entry for the long side. Remember, now if market goes and break through the smart money for 542, then we could go to 540 area right here. We'll be spending time here. So we don't know Monday what they're gonna do, right? Let the market maker open the market, and then we'll figure out what to do next. Okay, so that's how I look into here. But overall, folks, market is looking bullish. So I would love any trap. If they're gonna trap the bear, that would be great. Or if they're gonna continue going north, we're gonna go with them also. Nobody knows how they will do, but overall conditions are bullish, folks. Okay, so depends on what cycle you trading is important. You trading 5-minute cycle, 30-minute cycle, 1-hour cycle, 1-day cycle, 1-week cycle. You have to understand the language I speak, folks. Otherwise, it could be disaster. All right. That's why I tell everybody education is important, because it's all about the cycle. Game is all about the cycle. Now that is the reason this is the area to look for it. So I'm gonna give you a little bigger picture. Okay, since you are, we are all here, look into little bigger picture, like see how market performing, different cycles. Okay, I'm gonna go into 1-hour cycle just a second, and I'll explain you. So as you can see here, currently, this is from 2024 May month, sloping support building right there, and this is the support we test and bounce. So right here we bounce, so you got to apply your SPX class, right here bounce, right, test, bounce. So we are here now. We need to wait for any bear cycle. Right now I don't see, so I'm not gonna say anything, but if I see something I will say. Right now I don't see, but we are entering into 550 territory probably, right? And there could be a overbought, God knows, or 555 could be overbought. Right now not. Okay, so still has a room to go. So let's see, whatever market do, we will see. So now what I'm trying to explain you here is, look at that, same thing here, we pull back and bounce, right? So now we created a fast track technical intraday class, what I teach you, folks. So now we are into the fast track market is right here, and we are escalator landing, escalator landing, similar like that event is going on like here. Okay, so now we are heading here. So let's see how far it goes. Most likely it is healthy if they pull back, folks. Okay, if they pull back, but it depends on what the market maker do. We will find out if it is good, healthy. But right now the track is super fast, so they want to poke through. That's how I see here. That's the bullishness. Okay, so that's your S&P 500, folks. Now we're gonna look into QQQ. So QQQ right here looking nice and bullish. QQQ interesting. Hold on a second. This is 1-hour charts, right? I'm gonna look into 30 minutes. QQQ squeeze continuation. Bulls are in control. 30-minute chart is bullish. 4-hour chart is bullish. So all these areas are bullish still. So let's look into 5 hours, 5-minute charts. Right. So we poke through the top area. QQQ looking bullish, folks, right here. Market poke through, pull back, retesting for 478 right here, and check if it is bouncing. If it is bouncing, we're gonna go higher, right? That's what you need to check. Keep this thing in mind. So let's look into S&P 500, folks. I want to show you something interesting. If just in case bear scenario, I'm gonna show you. Okay. So you see this area. So mostly, sorry, we are very close to that area right here. You see that? So this is the point you need to watch tomorrow, folks. Okay, this is the point to watch for tomorrow, right? If this area breaks 540, then it will be easy money, folks. Okay, to go down, easy money. Then I can load up the side just in case, give you idea, because that's the bear side. There are some bears, there are some bulls, right? So I will watch here this support area. Market does drama here several times. They do that. If they do it, it will be a fun. So keep this thing in mind if you are bears, and if the market comes tomorrow in this range, and see what the market does, you got to watch, because there is a easy money. There is a gap here to fill. Okay, that's why I came here to check on a SPY. Right now, look at into QQQQ. Man, QQQ is like all the way. They did not even came back to test. They just poked through the roof, and QQQ went higher. Now we are again testing the roof right here. 478, 479. We are testing. So I mean, I don't see any weakness here, but if this pulls back, then you got to keep this area in your mind that we could go here. So if market for Monday folks weak in the morning, if you see some so, then we could have a nice and easy $4 ride, $4 to $5 ride down. So if this breaks down, you're gonna have a easy ride to come down. Right? That's the QQQ, because QQQ been bullish, been bullish. Look at that, continuously been bullish last 10 days. Look at that, continuously bullish, not 10 days, 3 weeks. Okay, that's the QQQ area to watch tomorrow. Right, bull side, bear side. Bull side, sky is the limit, right, because we are testing. So right now looking bullish to me. I don't see a weakness here, even though 5-minute charts, even though 1 hour chart looking bullish. Man, look at that 1 hour chart, folks, looking bullish to QQQ. Yeah, it's bullish. Okay, that's IWM. The IWM chart is, all the way testing at the all the way bottom, mean to say last 2 months chart. If you take a look at it, IWM is testing the bottom range right here, and that's what I every day post market update video. Those who are paid subscription, who has right swing alert every day I post. And what did I say, folks? IWM has a weakness compared to all other chart, right? And look at what IWM has been doing, right? Any bounce is a good shot on IWM. If you are a bear, you should be playing IWM instead of SPY or QQQ, because IWM is gonna give you more money, better result, because IWM has a weakness. You need the wind direction in your favor if you are a bear, and IWM is bearish, right? There are bullish also, but that's what you need to know when it is bullish. And then when they test the top, you short them, you make good money. But you shorting QQQ, man, you're gonna blow up your account. Why? Because the wind is blowing north direction on a QQQ versus IWM, wind is blowing south direction. You just need to wait for to test the resistance. Look, every time test the top, down, test the top, down, test the top, down. Every time we go up here to $207, whatever I said in the video, every day I've been saying this last 2 days. Go and watch those videos. Now those are public video, folks. Okay, those videos are now public. You go to video top on YouTube, Top Trading Edge, and these are the video weekly video, live. So once the week get over, the paid subscription they got, once they finish the week, I release them for everybody to go and check. But again, those are those are gone days, right? Gone days. But again, you can compare what I said, so you'll understand how the monies are getting made on the premium, because technically whatever I said, that's what. Look at the IWM is at the bottom, right? See that? So okay, now what IWM look like, folks? IWM I don't like right now. Is looking horrible to me. So if you think Josh IWM wants to go lower, man, people think, oh Josh, IWM is support. I think IWM wants to go lower, more. Wow. So what does it mean? That means if you see 200 retest, if you see IWM 200 retest, right, because the market in the bear territory right here. So if you retest, might go lower. Okay, so IWM could create. Remember what I'm saying today. You can remember that IWM will create new low. New low mean to say of last two months. Okay, and last one month, 2 months, might go lower. Might go lower than this. So we took the previous low, right? They want to go lower when nobody knows, but right now IWM might bounce, and then you could go lower also, but we will go lower than this area, remember. Okay, the IWM looking weak. This area IWM, some point of time we will go lower than this area, looking weak. Okay, but we had last 3 days IWM going down versus SPY going up, QQ going up, IWM is going down. We are testing the support, might bounce, and then we go lower. Okay, that's the weakness I see on IWM. So plan accordingly, folks. Okay, do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade, folks. It could be very, very risky. That's the disclaimer. Okay, now we're gonna look into Microsoft. Come on. What am I typing? MSFT. All right. So this is 1 hour chart. Microsoft looking nice and bullish, folks. Again, Microsoft testing. So Microsoft did when you were here, right? I say Microsoft looking bullish, wants to go higher 429, and then now we 430, right? Right here was our target. We test that. Now we reached here. Correct? Look at the folks. Remember those video. You can go and watch this video, folks, so you will see. You gotta watch these all this weekly, week away, 2 weeks away, so you will see. And look at the Microsoft now. Okay, anyway, so Microsoft is now almost 443, still looking bullish. Might break through and then create a divergence support, but right now Microsoft looking bullish, folks. Okay, so the sky is the limit on this, all the way high. So want to go higher, Microsoft still. If you see a pullback, might test the cloud and bounce. Your support area is to watch here, 437.78, 437 area, and see if it bounce. Okay, that's Microsoft. Then we're gonna look into Apple. Microsoft looking bullish. Apple is compression mode, folks. Okay, Apple is still bullish but compression mode, so I would not touch anything on Apple. Between whatever I said last 3 days, we got to leave the Apple has to leave, trend has to leave the station, support, resistance. Okay, so I would just leave it alone on Apple right now. It's a bounce coming in on Apple. That's how I see bounce coming in. Okay, then we're gonna look into Nvidia, folks. Nvidia, everybody. All right, so Nvidia got a divergence going on lately, last 3 days, right? So if you see Nvidia little pullback, that's fine. It's healthy because it's overbought. So let me look into here. What time? 5 minutes. I'm gonna look into 30 minutes, folks. That gives me a better idea. So Nvidia right now, MACD filling up. So Nvidia looking bullish, folks. Okay, Nvidia has a diversion and MACD filling up the gas. Little pullback. You might see any pullback is a good buy on Nvidia. That's how I see on Nvidia. Okay, so Nvidia, if you see 129, buyer will line up. That's how bullish it is. If this breaks 129, then is a lower. Okay, and you cannot. Yeah, 120. We have the support right here. I draw this. So anyway, so if this breaks, then only, because cloud can break, cloud can bounce. So most likely could bounce and then go higher. That's what it appears to me. Okay, when MACD filling up the gas. So Nvidia give a couple of days. Eventually it could bounce. Okay, Nvidia looking nice, folks. But right now Nvidia MACD pointing south, filling up the gas. So you might see few dollar up and down here and there. That's it going. If the Nvidia going down, that's okay. That's part of the game. No big deal. Okay, but I don't see any rug pull or anything yet right now. Nvidia, AMD. Somebody was asking me AMD, Josh. So AMD is right. Is interesting. Let me go to 1 hour chart. AMD building sloping resistance, so that is not good. Downward channel building right now. AMD, you see this downward channel. You don't want downward channel. So if the downward channel building, you want channel to break upwards. So you need, if you want to be bullish, you need AMD to poke to the roof, then bullish. Okay, until then AMD testing this area right here, this area. Keep this thing in mind in your, and that's support area. Look like oscillator 0. It could go any direction. Most likely it could bounce because we are very, let me go a little more time frame to understand, see what it look like. No, it could bounce, but it could, we still will have a rejection. If AMD bounce, could have a rejection, folks. Okay, if you see any bounce on AMD, it's a good shot. Alright, because MACD is bad already. So AMD is a bearish. If it's a bounce, it's a good shot. But I would not short at the support area. I would short when they bounce and reject at the rejection level, right? You got to understand, folks, how to short, how to go long, how to go short. All those things I teach in a technical class to understand. All right, so that's AMD. We're gonna look into Bitcoin, Bitcoin USD. All right, Bitcoin is right now testing the support zone, folks. If you look at the daily chart, okay, that is okay. MACD looking slightly weak, slight weak, but it's not weak. Means there is a bounce coming in. That's what I would say. This is the channel between 60, 65 and 75. This is where Bitcoin going to play for quite a bit of time. I said this 2 months ago. You can go watch the video. I said this is what they will be doing, and that's what they'll be validating this range. Sometimes you might get excited, going down, going up, but it's just a small glimpse up and down. So right now we are testing the support. It could bounce, could go to 73 because it's still bullish. Okay. So Bitcoin is steady, nothing to worry here. That's how it looks beer, Bitcoin. Then other than that, folks, people are asking me about if you want to join the WhatsApp, the YouTube community, folks, type it in on YouTube, Top Trading Edge, and you can also join the WhatsApp group. I'll bring it to you. All the video I post, folks, market update video every Sunday, as well as every day paid subscription. If you want, you can join that. But if you want to join live stream, folks, every day I go live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. If you are new to the community, right here every day you can join live. Click on live stream morning 9:30 Eastern time. All right, join the community. Also you can join WhatsApp group also, folks. So this is the WhatsApp group we have. Okay, you can join the WhatsApp group. Then we have the SPX June where I post my alert. If you want to join this one, this is the paid one, folks, okay, where I post my alerts. So for example, yesterday, right, morning I said that, look at them. So let me explain you, folks, what is the alert room is, so people need to understand. This is SPX June alert room. Okay, what is alert room means? Where I post my alert that what market looks like and what my game plan is for my trade. For my trade, not your trade. It's up to you how you narrate. That's why disclaimer, you have to do your due diligence before you enter. That's why I tell everybody to educate yourself. But some people say, no, Josh, it's okay. I want to join your group. I want to join this paid subscription. No problem, join. I want to try out. People say, I said, okay, if you want. But disclaimer, you have to remember. So market is overbought but be careful on a long side. Market was going up, and I say, hey, folks, market is overbought. So I give this running commentary, but market is going up. And I said, technical looking solid bullish though. Morning divergence coming. I put my commentary. I'm planning to short. Look at this word, 950. And hey, I'm in a put. I added 50 contract. But you have to understand, when do I add 50, 10 contract, 2 contract, 5 contract, 10, 20 contract. So I said I added 50 contract, and these 50 contract I printed $22,000. Right here is the trade. Look at that, boom, boom, boom. So first I added, first I added 20 contract. I'm in puts, then extra I added 50. So first I added 20, which was right here, made a 2500, started with a small at, no, not this one, man. I was holding that one. 6,001 right here, 950. This is the 20 contract I added first, then added another 50. So this is the 950 timestamp. I took the trade and made good decent 6,000 profit, and then I feel like market want to dump more, so I added 50 more. That's why I said I added more. I added put. Anyway, so all these alerts I post in this group. So people want, this is a paid subscription group where I post my running commentary that market looking bullish, like market looking bearish. I'm planning this. I might go short. I might go long. That's if you want to join the community, folks. For that one is this one, which is I tell everybody to join the community, which is SPX0DT. Take the education class. So July batch coming in. If you want to join for July, is $3,499. You can enroll for now. You can get 4 + 1 class, plus you get a Discord live $500 value, plus you get the WhatsApp group alert room $1,000 value, which is total $5,250. You getting for $3,499 for July. Why? You need, before you join the WhatsApp group, you need to take the education class. So if you want to take education class, then you'll understand the language I talk. Right, then you understand all the technical language, how the technical works. Right, this is what I recommend. But some people say, Josh, I don't have the money and I want to join the alert room, well, then you are alert room, you can join also. Right now June month, we have 2 weeks left. If you want to join, you can join. Normal monthly alert room is no education class, only $1,000. So 2 weeks left, you can join for $500. If you want to try out, no problem, right there. You can send me message on this number, say, Josh, I want to join this, I saw your video. Send a message, text message, that I want to join this. All right, this is the Zelle info to make a payment. All right, so then what do you recommend, Josh? People are asking me, Josh, what do you recommend on education? I recommend this. I do not recommend these, folks. Okay, this is full flash speed. Oh, Josh, you making 10,000 in 10 minutes? Yes, but what is behind? Education. What are the education is behind? Tons of education. That's what I tell everybody. Foundation classes are important. This one, learn these, folks. This is the foundation to go. Ask people in the community. There's a bunch of people in the community. Ask them. Go with these foundation and understand these. This is what you have a discount right now going on. If you go 1-by-1 class, cost you $750. Instead of that, you take a combination of all and get it for $2,999 right here. All right, that's that. Now, people are new here in and say, I want to join the WhatsApp group, folks. Yes, there is a WhatsApp group. This is the WhatsApp group. You can join, where all the communities here, almost 1,000 people around here. You can join this community. I will leave the description I will leave the link in the description, folks, right? So that way you can click on it and you can join the community. Okay, that will be free for you. This community is free. Where you see red color, those are not free. Yellow color is free. Right here, yellow one is free. The red color, those are classes. Okay, they are not free. All right, so I think, folks, we call it a day on this one. Today is Sunday. I got to go out with the family, so I thought to make a video a little early, and then we see you tomorrow morning at 9:30, folks. Okay, so take care, everybody. See you guys tomorrow morning. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, folks. All right, thank you. Bye.